Good morning students, welcome to e-learning classes. This is your computer period. We are revising lesson number 1, that is evolution of computer. In this, today we will revise about generation of computer. Computer generation is divided into 5 parts. So we will discuss about these 5 generations. Students, go through the video and watch it carefully. Lesson number 1, evolution of computers. In this chapter, we are doing revision of explanation portion. In our previous video, we have done history of computer and then some early calculating devices. Now today in this video, we will do revision of generation of computers. Computer generation is mainly divided into 5 parts. First generation. In first generation, computers are bulky, expensive, consumed more power, small internal storage, slow in speed. In first generation, computers are very heavy, they are very costly and they consume more power, and their internal storage or storage capacity was very less. Their speed is also very small, very slow. And in this generation, vacuum tubes are used. This is the main component which is used in first generation computer, that is vacuum tubes. And the example of first generation computer is ENIAC, UNIVAC, EDSEC, EDVAC. This is first generation computer. And the time period of first generation computer is 1940 to 1958. After this, in 1959 to 1964, this is the era of second generation computer. In second generation computer, instead of vacuum tubes, transistors are used. This is the component which is used in second generation computer. And the characteristic of second generation computer are smaller and faster than first generation computer. In this generation, the computers which were developed in this generation, it is faster than first generation computer. It consumes lesser power than first generation computer, and it consumes less power than first generation computer. It is less expensive than first generation computer. It is not as much costly as in first generation computer, and the storage capacity of this generation is more than first generation computer. And the example of second generation computer are IBM 1401, IBM 350, RCA 501. These are the example of second generation computer. After this, third generation computer. Third generation computer, the time period of third generation computer is from 1964 to 1970, and in this generation, the main component which are used are integrated circuits, ICs. These are used in third generation computer. They are smaller than second generation computer. They work with high speed. They are faster than second generation computer. They are less heavy than second generation computer, and they produce less heat than second generation computer, and they need less maintenance than second generation computer. An example of second generation computer are IBM 360 and 370, Apple I. These are the examples of third generation computer. Now after this, fourth generation computer, and the time period of fourth generation computer is from 1971 to till date. Means nowadays fourth generation and fifth generation computers are included nowadays. Now in 1971, the generation was started from 1971, and in this fourth generation computer, instead of ICs or integrated circuits, microprocessor were used. Nowadays we are using microprocessor. They are compact, more efficient, less costly, greater storage capacity. In this generation, we are using computers which are more efficient. Their speed is higher than first, second and third generation computer. They are not much as heavy as first, second and third generation computer. They are lighter in weight, they are less expensive, they are not costly, they are affordable to everyone, and the storage capacity of this generation computer is more than last 3 generation computers. Example of this generation is computers are Apple, Mac, IBM PC, HP 9000. These are the example of 4th generation computer. Now 5th generation computer. The main component of 5th generation computer is artificial intelligence. In this generation, artificial intelligence are used, and the computers have a very large storage capacity. Their processing speed is very high, and in this generation, some computers were developed which can think and understand like human beings, which is based on artificial intelligence like robot. These are the example of 5th generation computer, Cray, CS300, Param. These are the examples of 5th generation computers. So today in this video we have learned about generation of computer from 1st generation to 5th generation. Generation of computer is divided into 5 parts, and we have discussed about it. Now in our next video we will revise some more topic, that is types of computer. In our next video we will learn about it. So students, go through the video, and after this I will ask question according to the explanation which I have done today, which you have to answer in your class group. Thank you.